Take your time, Richard. Take your time.
Play those hands, Richie. Relax, bro. Calmness, bro. He's front leg. Keep him up, bro. Yes. Knee, knee. Nice, Kempy. Settle. Chop that leg. Chop that leg. Counter back.
Overhand right on that combo would have been nice.
Chop back. Knee, knee, knee. Leg kick. Follow it up. Follow it up. Turn off when he moves forward. Follow it up. Follow it, Kempy. Knee, 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 knee. Slow his legs down. Settle, settle. Slow his legs down, Kemp. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands and legs. Leg, Richie, leg. Come here, Richie. Where's the counter? Point. 1 for 1. Hit. Right. Move off. Relax. Relax. Dance.
Give him the counter with that overhand right now. He's open all day for it, man.
He's got a counter.
Overhand right. Knees, Richard. Knees, Richard. Knee.
Knee. Elbows. Elbow up. That's it. Again. Elbow up. Drop the knee.
Alright, brother. He's in good spot. I'm not going to speak yet. Pressure in, Richard. Shoulder. Pressure in.
Where's that elbow?
Knee. Inside deep.
Yes. Again. Again. Up. Knee.
Uppercut. Uppercut. Yeah. Uppercut.
Fall with the knee.
Uppercut.
Knee. 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 Drop it on. Dance. Relax. Breathe. Breathe. Breathe, Kempy. Relax. Settle, man. Where's your counter?
Come and throw that overhand right, man, because it's fucking there all day. I can't forgive for it.
10 seconds.
Turn him. Under the cage.
I don't want to confuse him by yelling out. You guys are him on the striker, so it's a fucking different overhand right. He's fucking leaving his left hand down big time as he's coming in.
He hasn't been doing it a lot. He wants to land that switch hook.
Yeah. Get him to set his feet, his plant the right. He's going to fucking eat this guy, I'm telling you.
Break it, Rich. Yes, good, Rich.
Off the cage, Rich. Whizzer.
Turn in.
Bang and turn, Rich. Bang and turn. Richie, bang and turn.
Pop that shoulder.
Turn out, bang and turn. That's it. Turn him in, Rich. That's it.
Good.
Pressure. Pressure in. Get him the knee to the inside of the thigh.
This is you.
Knee to the inside of the thigh, Rich. Overhawks. Push pressure down, Rich. Pressure down. Whizzer. Whizzer. Turn, Rich. Bang and turn to your right, left.
Turn him, Rich, when there's room.
Turn your left, Richard. Trip, trip, trip.
Knees, Rich.
Yes, again. Knee, 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 knee.
Elbow, elbow.
Knee, break, brawl, brawl. And a brawl. That's it, that's it. Good, again, again. Good, Richard.
6 rounds, 6 rounds.
Where's the uppercut? Where's the uppercut? Work for that uppercut again, Rich. Inside the thigh, inside thigh knee.
Breathe, bro. Check it in.
Look at the inside thigh knee, Rich. It's there. Right leg.
Now.
That's it. Unlucky. Where's that? Head away. Head away.
Hop, elbow.
10 seconds.
Elbow.
Counter. Overhand right, Rich.
He's not thinking about his legs.
Overhand right, Rich.
Yes. Again.
Overhand right, Rich.
You've got his hands up.
That's it, bro. Good boys getting next. Good work, Richard. Watch for that overhand right, bro. It's there all day, eh?
That one, Richie. Good work, mate.
There's no way Jazz is.
Somewhere. He's up with Toddy. He's up with Toddy.
No, he's not. I went up there and checked.
Look near his family. Look near his family, bro. Ask Blake where he is. There he is, see? Cool. How do you lose a fucking fighter? Use that uppercut, Richard. Dirty box, that uppercut's fucking rare, mate. Get the pressure on your shoulder and step back and drop it ahead.
2 seconds down.
Rich, on the fence, Rich.
Second.
Shoulder out, step back, uppercut. Yeah, change angle, uppercut. And keep your eye on the overhand right, Richard, because it's there all fucking day. Keeps dropping his left hand, bro. Where'd the water come from? Yeah, they give me a fucking. They give me a fucking chance on you. He wasn't even sick. You're killing it, Kempy. Same again, brother.
Good hands, Rich. Good hands.
That's what I'm talking about, with the right hand. Watch it when he comes in, he drops his left hand, it's fucking there it is again.
Nice jab. Overhand right, Richie. Counter. Don't hesitate. Follow that jab up.
And there it is again, he drops his left hand again. Every time he moves, he drops his left hand.
Good shot. Counter, leg.
Sprawl, Rich, sprawl. Hits back, underhooks.
Good.
Punches on exit, my friend. Up. Hey, good recovery.
That's all right. Breathe. Move. Sit around.
That's it, that's the one, Rich.
In and out. 1-1. Overhand.
Where's that body?
So he dropped his left hand again.
Keep him high, Rich. Hands
No,
up.
not Richard, the other guy. Watch the other guy. As soon as he steps in, drops his left hand every time.
Switch hook with his jab. Switch hook on his jab. Keep your right up. He's still got game, Rich. Keep your hands up. That's it. Good. Good counter, Rich. Inside, right hand. He's playing that front leg. Inside, right hand.
Overhand, over the...
Roll!
Pull that jab up, mate. Pull that jab
Oh,
up.
mate's getting gassed.
Breathe, keep breathing, Rich.
Turn off when he moves forward, Rich.
So possible a bit more.
Good.
Get him back and straight up, get him straight off.
Good. Now you got to keep turning to the side, Rich. Don't go back to the side.
Change the angle and then further right.
Where's your counter?
That's the one.
Good, Richie.
Inside cross up.
Follow the right, Rich.
Right hand, Richie. Down the line. Now. In. That's it. 1-1-2. Knee.
Body lock, Rich, body lock. Underhook right side,
Knee up.
Hips back.
Not you.
Yeah.
Good, Cappy.
That's back,
Hands
Cappy.
up, breathe.
Inside
Got a small
cross
cut.
up.
Hands up, breathe. it,
Combo's
Kemp.
going.
Hands up, hands up.
Don't back up, Rich. Yeah, say both you want, brother.
Hands up. Suck it in, suck it in. Suck it in, breathe.
Circle off, Rich, circle off. Get away from the cage.
You got to counter that shit.
Circle off, Richie. Circle off, Rich. Don't back straight up.
Make him miss the kick and counter it.
Good.
Wasn't even low. Watch your space, Rich. There you go. Now pressure, pressure.
Brawl. That's it. Go, brawl. Hands up, breathe. Relax. Dance and dodge his kick. Counter the thing. Good, Kempy. Breathe. Evade, counter. He switched. He switched. Good. Again.
Don't put the right straight in the middle. He's going southpaw. Step on the outside. Left foot at the outside, straight in the middle.
Hands up.
Jab inside.
Inside, right hand. Inside, cross hook leg. Inside, cross hook leg. Now. Don't hesitate.
Inside leg kick.
Hands up, breathe, move. That's it, around, Kempy. Hands up, rise forwards. Keep turning, don't go back. You've got to counter it.
Very strong, Richard. Get in there.
That's it, where's the kick? That's it.
Turn off, Rich.
And time. Champion Simon Arentz, and of course the challenger Richard Kemp. 5-5 of action coming up. Round number 3. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, coming out and watching Storm Damage number 8. It's been awesome. Thank you, you guys have been fantastic. Thank you, Katja. Seconds down.
That's when you can box in and get some fucking inwork.
Seconds out. Round 3.
Killing it, Rich, killing it. When you turn him off, when you turn him back into the cage, Richard, show me some hands there. I've been watching him too. He's a bit of a gift for left hook, right hand, right combo. Levels, Richard, levels. Now block him in, Rich. Knees, Richard.
Keep it going.
Chase him up.
That's it, Richard.
Keep going.
Dirty box, Richard, dirty box. That's it, change the angle.
Keep going. Elbow. Good.
Body lock, trip. Base, Richard, base.
Good, Cappy.
Base. Right arm inside it, Richard, right arm inside it. Sit down. Base.
That's it.
Bit of hands, Rich, bit of hands. Little bit of hands, tidy, Richard, little bit of hands. Watch your base, that's it, Richie, watch your base. Watch your base, Richie, that's it, watch your base, tidy. Nice and tidy, Rich. Watch the base, Richard, nice and tidy. Arms, yep. And again, Richard, push his head down. That's it, bro. Short elbows. Lift it up 6 inches, Rich, and drop it. Pressure the head down.
Downward elbow.
Yep, there it is. Now press up 6 inches, Rich, and drop it. Body weight. That's it, bro.
A little bit of separation, mate.
Same again, buddy. Control the head. Pin it to the floor. Drop the bomb. That's it, up. Tight and tighty, Richard. No ice piece. No. Drop it, Richie. Short one. Short one, Rich. Lift it. That's it. Control the head, Rich. Pin the head down. Pin the head down, Richard. Sit up, feed him, Richard. Sit up and feed him. Feed him. Ankle. Ankle lock. Richie, ankle. Drive, Richard. Drive, 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 drive. You got the angle there, Richard. Elbow, elbow. There it is. Elbow, there it is. Head down. Head control, Rich. Head control. Control the head, Rich. I can't see fuck all now. Control the head. That's it. Drop it. That's it, Rich. Out. Hey, right. Left hand feed. Feed the left, Richard. Feed the left. Everyone. Elbows, Richie. Tight. Richard, tight. Stack. Stack. Stack, Kempy. Stack. Stack, Richie. Come around. Hips around, Richard. Follow it around, Richard. Follow it around. Sit up. Hips. Drive, drive, drive. Exactly what I said. Good man. Hey? He's doing a good job, right? Tight and tighty, Richard. Where's your elbows? Where's his feet? Where's his feet, Kempy? Think about it. Fucking block specialist, they all love feet. They leave them everywhere. Stack. Pass. Control. Seatbelt. Hooks in. Seatbelt, Rich. That's it. Set it. Got it. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Set it. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. He's going out. He's out.
We have a time of 3 minutes and 29 seconds into the third round. Fighter center ring, please. Come on, give them a big round of applause here. Let's make some noise. Ladies and gentlemen, the new storm damaged featherweight champion this evening comes way on Richard the Rocket Kemp. Wow. Come on, give that champion as well, Simon, a round of applause, please. What a champion. Big up for the 40-year-olds, hey? I'm free. Come on, give him a round of applause. 40 years old, people. And Jesus wept because he was happy, you know? You too, Jimmy. Now, wow, you know what? You fought way impressive. You really did. You were sharp, your jabs were sharp, your uppercuts, you were hungry. That's basically what that looked like. You were hungry. How does it feel?
Man, it feels amazing to finally get that monkey off my back and get something that I've really worked hard for, you know. I feel on top of the world, man.
And does that mean you're going to retire now that you mentioned that to me because you said this is the final fight, but I don't know about that.
Yeah, man, 40 years old, a lot of kids to be looking after too, man. So, you never know, you'll see me around the circuits and that, training my fighters, and I think it's time to take a step back, give them the knowledge that I'm doing inside the cage.
What a way to finish on top. Now come on, ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause, please.
Thank you very much, everyone. Can I say a massive, huge thank you to Storm Osher and the whole crew with Storm down there. Without them, we wouldn't have awesome cards like this to fight on. They put in so many hours of hard work. Everyone should give them a round of applause, man. The amount of hours they put in doing this, you have no idea, man. I want to say a big thank you to my partner Elizabeth for putting up with me for the last 6 weeks, opening up my own gym and running around with 7 kids every afternoon while I train people is a pretty hard job. She's more of a champion than I'll ever be. And a big round of applause, guys. My trainers, Dino, Nick, I mean we've got Troy from Warhammer as well, bringing his boys down every Friday to spar us in the gym. So thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. Get ready for the main event, guys. It's going to be a corker. I'm telling you now, I fought one and I spar the other. It's going to be game on, man. It's going to be a good fight.
Well, to our new featherweight champion, Storm Champions, give a round of applause too, please. But I tell you what, he wouldn't be champion without this champion and fighting him for his belt. I know you were very disappointed. I know it. But you know one thing? You always show a real champion's heart. What you did there was just awesome. How's it feel after that?